Guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Lauren. Don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So today's video is obviously come with me to my, let me take this out for a second. Come with me to obviously Home Bargains and to go to my reception, wedding reception. You guys are with me, but I won't actually show you what it looks like. But yeah, hope you guys come with me. Home Bargains first. My appointment's not until 1 o'clock for the wedding reception, so I've got a bit of time to browse in Home Bargains and obviously see the new Mrs. Hinch stuff and buy some stuff. Ooh. So as you walk in, you've got the Valentine's stuff already. Really nice selection of Valentine's stuff, but I'm not here for that. I'm here for the Mrs. Hinch stuff. Some cute pajamas. Now that is cute. Massive cushion. Some other little Valentine's stuff as well. Now that is cute. Now this is my heaven. So you've got the Hinch diffusers, Hinch candles. You've got the bigger ones down there. You've got some more Hinch stuff as well and different things, but I will show you. The diffusers are $4.99, small candles are $3.99, and then obviously as you get to the big ones, they're like $5.99 and $12.99. Yeah. Then this is more of the Hinch stuff. So she's got the big cushion, the throw, which is in blue, the tumblers, wine glasses, plates and bowls. Hinch home. And here you've got a back wall full of all our plates, bowls, and obviously cups and stuff. And obviously you've got the photo frames here. You've got the vases up there, more diffusers, more candles, more throws. They don't have the colour that I want though, because I didn't want the blue, I wanted the beige one. But it's fine, I can try and find it elsewhere. But yeah, so many more Hinch stuff and I cannot wait to buy more. I will show you of what I got in a different haul as well. For those of you who are planning like weddings and hen nights like me, they've got like little bride-to-be kit in here. So you've got your sash, your garter, a little badge thing, and the sash thing. That's the veil, sorry, not the sash. But yeah, bride-to-be includes the sash, badge, garter and veil. Not bad for $2.99. Those of you who love storage, Home Bargains have loads of different kind of storages. So you have all the plastic white ones, all like the wicker kind of ones, and then you have these, they look like dupes of like the Wham studio boxes. So that I will be getting some of them to go in my IKEA drawers, but I'm going to get them off Amazon because you can get quite a few. So like even like something like this on Amazon, you can get a pack of 6 and a little bit more than that. But if you're just looking for just a couple of storages, Home Bargains have got quite a few storages, plus they've got these ones as well with the lids. Excuse the hair, it's gone a bit haywire in the wind, but I've done a little bit of shopping, not much. I think in total it came to about £53. What I might do is, because obviously I've got to go to my wedding reception later on today, so I might actually do a mini Hinch haul as a separate video. What is my hair doing? But yeah, I might do a mini Hinch haul just to show you guys of what I actually picked up in our Home Bargains. Now, the woman said the Hinch stuff sells out pretty fast, so I just grabbed what I could. I'm going shopping again next Saturday with my sister, so obviously I'll just buy a little bit more stuff then. I did get the small candles, which you guys will see in the next video, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video anyway. But I've still got to go to my wedding reception yet, So I will film just on my way to the venue. Sorry, that's a car going past. You probably won't be able to hear me. But just arrived at my wedding venue. And yeah, I've got to go in and sort a few things out for the wedding. And that is that. It's all done, all complete. I've had a little look around. It looks actually bigger than I thought. Buy the tables and chair covers. We might not actually need to buy any, which is an actual result. So I cannot wait. So now I'm on my way home. Like, my appointment was at 1 o'clock, but I got there early and she was just talking to me about it. But yeah, it's getting really I can't speak, I'm that excited. It's getting really real now, and I cannot wait to actually get married, start decorating it. And the good thing about it is our reception is not that far from home, hence why I've only got my keys in my hand. So yeah, I'm getting so excited. It's all done, all dusted. I've got a pop round there again next Saturday because they're having a wedding, so all of the tables and that'll be all laid out. I might be able to film on that day, I'm not too sure, but if me and Lisa can get shopping done early in the morning, I can pop to the the reception and have a little look at the layout of what another wedding's done and then go from there. So the main part of the wedding is all complete. The registry office is done. The reception is basically done. We might not even have to pay for the drapes either, which is a bonus, and I cannot wait. Do you know what? I can't wait for my Sheen stuff to arrive so I can actually look it through it all. Oh my goodness, get excited. And I cannot wait. 6 months to go and I cannot wait. I'm going to end today's video here. Sorry about my hair, it's a bit windy today. I'm going to end today's video here. Hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, as always, give it a like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.